So we're getting ready to head out to dinner. We're gonna go try this new place, or newly opened place out at 100 Islands called Trattoria Altrove, something like that. It's an Italian themed restaurant. Kind of going into it blind. All I know is they make pizza and pasta and some other stuff. It's a newly opened restaurant in 100 Islands, but apparently there's a few more, or quite a few more locations scattered throughout the Philippines. So, all right, we'll go check it out. See you in a few. Well, anyways, here we are at the, what do we call this? Trattoria Altrove. Yes, sir. So we'll meet you inside. Well, so far we're off to a really good start. The waitress is super friendly, and I'm sure the rest of the staff are here as well. So anyways, taking a real quick peek at what they have on the pizza side of the house. Here's the menu. Take a quick look at that. And then some other stuff as well. Yeah, pretty cool. Here's the pasta section.
I think that for the pasta, you can choose your own pasta.
Oh, really?
Right?
Yes, ma'am. But the fettuccine, ma'am, is
Not available. Yes, okay.
We all have is spaghetti, ma'am, and then the
Thank you.
Naubusan kasi tayo, ma'am, ng Holy Week, ma'am. Wala pa po yung dili.
And here we have the manager. What's your name?
Michelle, sir.
Michelle, my name's Eric. Very nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Yeah, I was just going to ask you, how long you been open here now?
We opened just March 10th.
March 10th here in 100 Islands,
Yes,
Alaminos
that's
City.
Correct.
And then what other locations are there in the Philippines? I hear there's like 6 or 7, something like
Yes,
that.
the very first branch we have is at El Nido, Palawan.
Okay.
And we also have there in Coron. And then we also have branches also in Tarlac, San Jose.
Okay.
And then we also have one in Caliraya, that's in Laguna.
Sure.
And we just opened recently in Anilao, Batangas.
Oh wow! So yeah,
Yes.
they're mostly kind of like touristy
Yes.
attraction, except for maybe Tarlac. I don't know.
Yes. That
well-
one we have a resort there.
Oh, okay. I see. Well, when I go to Palawan, I'll have to definitely visit your other location there. So you say the pizzas are over in that area
Yes,
there?
it's over there, sir.
Can we take a walk over there real
Yeah,
fast?
sure.
Yeah, great. Hope he's okay with this. So I just really kind of interested in the oven.
Oh,
If we could see that. I don't want to go back in there, but
here on the side.
yeah, because now we're talking brick oven pizza, which is always kind of cool. So right in here, huh? Yep, there you have it. Now I lived in New York for 6 years, and this is the way they cook a lot of pizza over there. So,
Hopefully you'll be able to like the pizza.
oh, I'm sure I will. Yeah. Well, that's cool. That's what I wanted to see. I wanted to see that brick oven. And that's every location, right?
Yes, sir. That is right.
Look at that. So, just regular wood inside there?
Yes, sir.
Good deal. Very cool. Michelle, right?
Yes, sir.
Michelle, thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Yes.
We'll talk to you soon, okay?
Yes. Thank you, sir.
All right. Okay, and there's the pizza. Brick oven pizza. All right, we are finished.
I will take a photo. Hold on.
And the final verdict is yes. Final verdict is yes. I'm freaking stuffed, and that was good food. Let me tell you, it's not always easy to find decent pizza in the Philippines. It's not a dig on the Philippines, it's just the way it is. It's a fact. This place uses real cheese, which was something I value a lot being over here. You find a pizza place that uses real cheese on their pizza and pasta, embrace it. So I'll be back. We really enjoyed it. The food was great, the service was even better, and the atmosphere was very, very pleasant. The Art Deco and the structures in there are very traditional Filipino, and it was just a really nice place to eat. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon. All right, bye-bye.